Assalamu alaikum students. This is basic geometry lesson number 4, angle at a point. Here you can see this is the point. You can see this is the point and all angles will be formed on this point. You can see this is one line segment, one more line segment. This form an angle here, and other line segment. By joining all these line segments at a point, angles formed here. This is the first angle, this one is the second, third and fourth. So all these angles are formed on this point which is at the center. So this is angle A and B, C and D. By this we know that all angles formed on the point added to 360 degree. It's mean the sum of angles at a point is 360 degree, and angles at a point add to 360 degree. And one more thing, if we know one of the angles at a point, we can calculate the other one. So A, B, C, D are the angles at a point. I explain you more about angles at a point by the help of examples. You can see here, this is one line segment, another line segment formed an angle. One angle is A and the second one is 45. So this one is A and this is 45. The question is here, find the value of A in the given figure. We already know that this, when we add A and 45, the sum is equals to 360 degrees. So we can write it as A plus 45 equals to 360 degree. For the value of A, I have to move this 45 on the right hand side of the equation. When I move this 45 on the right hand side, it will be subtracted from 360, and then when I subtract 45 from 360, the value of A will become 315. So the value of A is 315. Here there is one more example, that is example number 2. Question is here, find the value of B in the given figure. The figure is here. This is one line segment. This is another line segment formed at a point. It's common point here. One angle is this and second external angle is this one. And we have to find the value of B, and the other angle is 240 degree. We already know this. When we add B and 240, the sum will be equals to 360. Here you can see B plus 240 equals to 360. When I move this 240, it will be subtracted from 360 and the answer of B will be 120 degree. Here it is one more example, that is example number 3. The question is here, find the value of A in the given figure. You can see figure here. This is one line segment, other line segment, and this is the third line segment. Here you can see there are 3 angles formed at this point, at this common point where all these 3 line segments meet. This is first angle, second one and the third one. And the value of angle is 50. Second one is 4A and the third one is 214. We know this, when we add all these 3 angles, the sum will be equals to 360. You can see here 4A plus 214 plus 50 equals to 360. I have to move this value 214 and 50 on the right hand side of the equation. These two will be subtracted from 360 degree. And so 4A equals to 96. But we need the value of simple A. And I have to move this 4 on the right hand side. When I move this 4, it will be divided with 96. So 96 divided by 4. And the value of A is 24. And if we need this complete angle, this one, the value of this angle, that is 4A actually. So we have to multiply 24 with 4. So 4 times A is 96 here. So 4A equals to 96. You can say the whole value of this angle is 96, but the simple only value of A is 24. So these are the practice questions from the reference book D1. You have to solve practice now 2 from page number 239, and exercise is 10A, question number 7A to D, and then question number 8 and 9. Thank you student, and next lesson will be of parallel lines and the angles formed by parallel line and transversal. Thank you students.